Hey guys, coming at you from the future here. Just a quick update. The video file for today got a little bit corrupted. I'll show you shots of it here. The video looks fine. The audio's gone though. You can't hear any of the things I'm doing in Logic. Today we were exploring the new updates to Logic 11, so it would have been kind of a fun video. But mainly two big takeaways. One, there's a new piano feature that has, I think, good tools if you're not good with harmony and want to just kind of like have a piano beat generated. There's wonderful stuff for that, but I was more excited just about the fact that the piano has good sounds. Logic didn't really have a good default piano sound before this, so love seeing them add that to Logic here. And then also we finally get saturation. I've been talking about saturation for so long. You'll see me use saturation in future episodes as well, so we'll talk about that again, and maybe I'll kind of like do a rehash of my thoughts on Chroma Glow in a future episode. But Chroma Glow brings 6 different saturations to Logic, and I'm maybe gonna go try and mess around with some of the masters of the Chiptune EP and enjoy putting some saturation on it, but maybe not. I don't know. I'm excited to have saturation finally as an option. I was putting on the basses and really enjoying that. So yeah, quick episode here today. Just for those of you that are really invested, thanks so much for watching. That's what we got going on. See you guys later. Bye-bye.